Welcome back. You're watching Newsnight. One of the biggest election promises that had been made by the Aam Aadmi Party government after they came into power was that there would be a roof over the heads of the countless homeless people in Delhi. When Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal spent a wintry night in the open without a shelter, he was hailed as the Aam Aadmi poster boy. But the photo op pushed under the blanket a harsh statistic. In Kejriwal's Delhi, under his watch, the cold has killed 174 people in just 23 days.
As Kejriwal braved the harsh winter under the glow of arc lights, hundreds had already succumbed to poverty's darkness elsewhere in Delhi. Well, blankets kept Kejriwal and his band of protesters warm. The real Aam Aadmi was left to die in Delhi's cold, harsh winter. The comparison is stark, but the figures of homeless dying of cold in our regime is even more shocking. An NGO claims that there have been 174 deaths in just 22 days.
1 जनवरी 2014 से लेकर 22 जनवरी 2014 तक जो है 174 डेथ हुई हैं दिल्ली के अंदर, जिसका डाटा हमने आप लोगों को शेयर किया है। ये आपके पास डाटा है। और जिस एरिया में सबसे ज़्यादा डेथ हुई है वो है अपना द कश्मीरी गेट का एरिया, जहाँ पे होमलेस हब है।
The maximum deaths have been reported from Kashmiri Gate. The situation is no better elsewhere in Delhi. According to the NGO Center for Holistic Development, between January 1st to 23rd, 15 deaths were reported from Central Delhi, 14 from East Delhi, 10 from New Delhi, 37 from cities north, 8 from Northeast Delhi, 7 from Northwest. Outer Delhi saw 11 deaths and West 11. There were 40 deaths reported in areas under the railways. The NGO claims it got these figures from the Delhi police, but as dead bodies piled up, our government failed to insulate the homeless from jaws of death.
वो सेठ जी ने दिए, कोई बाबू आए तो बोला नहीं है भैया, तो ओढ़ो, वही ओढ़ के अपना सोते हैं। इधर रेन बसेरे में जाओ, ज्यादा लेट बंदे लोग आ जाते हैं तो कहते हैं वहाँ जगह नहीं है इसमें। कुछ ऐसे रेन बसेरे हैं तो उसमें जगह ही नहीं मिलते। जिसमें जगह है तो उसमें कोई व्यवस्था नहीं है।
ये सब तमाम चीजें ये लगा हुआ है पॉलिथीन का। इसके अलावा क्या कंबल उम्बल मिला है सरकार की तरफ से? कुछ कंबल उम्बल मिला है क्या?
नहीं, कंबल उम्बल नहीं मिला। नहीं दिए कंबल उम्बल।
कुछ कंबल नहीं है?
नहीं, अभी लेके दे देते हैं, कंबल उम्बल दिया नहीं।
3-4 दिन हो गए हमें सोते हुए हैं यहाँ। कोई कंबल उम्बल की व्यवस्था नहीं है यहाँ। हम अपना खुद ही ओढ़ रहे हैं, खुद ही बिछा रहे हैं।
The claims have been loud, the spot checks frequent. Kejriwal promised 45 shelters in 48 hours. His ministers went to inspection drives, but there was zero impact on ground. On January 9, Delhi High Court wrapped Kejriwal government over the matter, and the National Human Rights Commission has already shot a notice to him over increasing deaths. The reality remains that the homeless continue to suffer yet another bitter winter without proper shelter over their heads and warmth around their frail bodies. The big question remains, as AAP protests to grab headlines, had Delhi's Aam Aadmi been left out in the cold?